Question number 10. The complex number minus I plus square root of 7I is denoted by mu. It is given that mu is a root of a equation. The equation is cubic in nature that involves some constant k, and you have to find the value of this k. So we have to expand this equation. First of all, you must be sure about the cubic formula. Let me write it over here. A minus b whole cube could be written as a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square. That is a formula of cube. You must have to memorize this formula in your mind, and by the ES level you also know that a minus b whole cube formula, it seems to be like that. So this is given to me that minus 1 plus square root of 7 of iota is the root of this equation. I have to put back x is equals to minus 1 plus square root of 7 iota in all the places of x. So put x is equals to minus 1 plus square root of 7 iota in equation number 1. That is equation number 1 actually. Now the question arises why I did put that. Because this is given to me that this mu or this u is the root of this equation. And whenever some root of equation is given to you, it means that after plugging the value of this root in this equation, your final answer should be equals to 0 by the, you can say, factor theorem. So this is in short word given to me that minus 1 plus square root of 7 iota is the factor of this equation. It means that whenever I did put every places of x minus 1 plus square root of 7 iota, after simplification that should be equals to 0 because this is a factor of that equation. This is the root of that equation. So that's why I put x is equals to minus 1 plus square root of 7 iota in this equation. So let's do it. 2 times minus 1 plus square root of 7 iota whole cube plus 2 times minus 1 plus square root 7 iota whole square plus 14 times minus 1 plus square root 7 iota plus k is equals to 0. I have to do simplification. Minus 1 plus square root 7 iota whole cube can be opened by this formula that is written under this green marker. That's why first of all I write down the cubic formula over here. So it could be written as 2 times minus sorry, I think so I just lost my voice. So that could be written as 2 times minus 1 minus 7 times of square root of 7 iota minus 3ab, so that would be 3 times by 7 times by minus 1 plus 3 times by square root of 7 iota minus 1 whole square plus 3 times by, this is 3x square, so 3 times by minus 1 plus square root 7 iota whole square can be opened by the formula a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So by this formula I can say 1 minus 7 minus 2 times by square root of 7 iota plus 4 times by x, 4 times by minus 1 plus square root 7 iota plus some constant k that should be equals to 0. Now multiply 2 inside, that gives me minus 2 minus 14 square root of 7 iota minus times by 7 is 21, and 21 times by 2 would be 42. So 42 and plus 6 square root of 7 iota plus 3 minus 21 minus 6 square root of 7 iota minus 4 plus 4 square root of 7 iota plus k, which is equals to 0. So 14 square root of 7 iota and 14 square root of 7 iota can be cancelled. 6 square root of 7 iota and 6 square root of 7 iota can also be cancelled. Remaining quantities would be minus 2, that one, 42, 3, 21, 4 and k. So that gives me, let me do calculate, 42 minus 2 plus 3 minus 21 minus 14, so that gives me 8. 8 plus k, which is equals to 0. Shift 8 onto the other side, that gives you k is equals to minus of 8. This is the final answer for this question, A part. There is nothing, just only you have to think about what does mean by u is the root of this equation. U is the root of this equation mean whenever you plug back the value of u in this equation, every places of x you have to put value of u, then it should gives you 0, because by the factor theorem this is a root. After that one, you have to memorize the cubic formula in your mind by the ES and A minus B whole square formula. Then open the values according to the situation, do the simplification, cancel the plus minus relevant terms, add remaining terms together, and easily you can find the value of k. That's all about that.